my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. It's after Christmas, life is going back to normal, so I'm changing my dining area, just add my artwork. So you know guys, I always move my thing places, and so it's the same thing but different place make the house look beautiful each time you step in. As you can see guys, I start with my wall art, and this lamp I get them from Ross. So I'm changing the house black, white, and little bit of silver. So if you are somebody that loves neutral color, this video is definitely for you.
I wanna see a familiar face and a friend to take my hand. Sometimes a little bit lost gets a little bit found.
This is a great idea for winter decor guys. Those candle holders are my DIY, and guys, I really love them because like I said, I'm going for a black, white, and a little bit of silver, and they are perfect for my credenza styling. And you know guys, I love my designer book, so I'm adding a little candle just to make the house smell nice. And for my dining table, I'm using this glass cleaner. I got it from Walmart, and guys, it's super good. Before I used to use perfect glass, but it's so rare to find now, and it's extremely expensive, so I chose this one because this one is like more easy to find. Walmart, anywhere you go you can find them, and they clean very well too. So this table, I put it in my garage for the Christmas season, and now my baby is coming back because this table is my DIY. I love it so much, so that's why I always have it on my videos. I may change it later on, but right now I'm in love with my table, so I keep it. Whenever I'm doing something adding more space, I will move it, but afterwards I always put it back. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm using my Warner and this beautiful centerpiece. I love it. This flower, I have it throughout my home. I bought it at Walmart. They were like $6 a piece. They are very nice guys. If you have local Walmart and you love flowers, it's a good place to find good flowers, and they are good quality too for the price. Okay guys, as you can see, I wanted a wow centerpiece, so I chose this vase and this flower just to make my centerpiece stand out. And those beautiful placemat, they are my DIY, and I made them, I think, 4 years ago and I still use them till today, and I love them. The placemats, I got them from Mat.
Looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got the system.
The dining plate from the Dollar Tree, and guys, it's like I'm doing some high and low to make my home look very luxurious on a budget. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, I do DIY, clean with me, home decor, I do my hair, I do my nails, vlog. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my beautiful subscribers, thank you so much guys Without you, I will never be who I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night.
Okay guys, this is a finished look. Let me know down below what you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And guys, as you can see, I have a new addition to my home and I really love how everything turns out. So if you do, don't forget to leave me a nice comment down below. Let me know what do you think, guys. I would love to hear from you. Even if you don't like it, I still want to hear from you guys.
For someone who could like the way, then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. That's the way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you.
Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Happy New Year 2024. Bye.